guys, so we finally made it to Rishikesh, and the place that we are staying at is called Zostel. They do have a lot of Zostel in different places. So the rooms, it's very basic. Bed, there's washroom. We don't think we'll spend a lot of time in here because we'll be roaming outside mostly, I hope. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, it's very plain basic. This is the room tour that you get. So we majorly came to Rishikesh for river rafting and bungee jumping. River rafting will be done tomorrow. We still have to book the bungee jumping thing. So we'll see what happens. First, we are super hungry and need to get lunch. So we'll just go there. I feel tired already, but it's okay. So yeah, let's go. So Lakshmi, how was your experience?
It was really nice.
Yeah, I really didn't expect this. I feel so
Peaceful.
I'm at so much peace right now. Like कोई मेरे को गुस्सा दिलाएगा तो मेरे को गुस्सा भी नहीं आएगा. ऐसा feel हो रहा है मेरे को. Everyone should experience this at least once in their life. Like, it was amazing.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, guys. Okay, so now the plan is to go river rafting. We woke up early, slept late. I'm so sleepy, but anything for adventure. So we're gonna go there. So this place we are staying at has a tie-up with the river rafting thing. So we booked it from here only. We didn't have to go outside anywhere. Yeah, basically we are ready almost. They didn't tell us anything about what to wear or what to carry. Shoes ke liye I'm still confused, but this is what I'm wearing, leggings and a loose top. There's no mirror, man. How do I comb my hair?
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn.
Mom, I love you. Always have.
If I'm gonna haunt Lakshmi.
अच्छा ये भी करो.
Yeah.
We got our...
It's not a pedal. This is a...
I have no clue how I look right now.
I'll tell you how you look. Stupid. Pathetic.
Thanks. This is photography.
To walk down this?
Yes.
Nice and what?
With these chappals. Let's go.
Baby, chappals slip.
Yeah, I know.
People fall.
Guys, this is what we come through. Ouch.
Hey, गिरेगी हाँ? इसको बोल GoPro बंद करो.
I'm gonna die. Look at the water. So turquoise.
Bye. It was nice knowing you all.
Yeah. So we came down all the way from up there. It was a task, but it's so worth it. There's a pre-wedding going on, I guess.
We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
Wow, we are going down now.
Your GoPro was like, hello.
Oh my god, I am numb.
Hold someone.
Anyone, this is perfect. Oh, I'm floating. I'm floating on this.
I got you, Dhwani. Don't worry.
This is how they take us in. Go आगे लक्ष्मी. No one from any boat got down, you know. It was just us. Yeah, that's how they pull. So they are gonna cliff jump from there. I'm not sure if I wanna do it, especially with this cold water. Let's see. There's also Maggie and tea available here if you want. How was the experience?
It was amazing. I do all over again. Yeah.
Bus. For me, it was good.
It was good.
Yeah, because I was cold all the time. हालत हो गई मेरी तो. But yeah, it was fun. You should definitely try it if you are.
Please comment, like, subscribe
Yeah, that's
to Dhwani Bhatt YouTube channel.
That's gonna happen. As soon as we came here, we had to take boat like that, take it up, and I was trying
She
to.
fell down. She fell down, guys.
I fell literally damn. मेरे ऊपर बोट पड़ा.
मैंने बोट रखा, मेरे को धाड़ करके आवाज आया,
अच्छा,
पीछे देखा तो ध्वनि जमीन पे और लोग होके हंस रही है चुड़ैल जैसे.
Yeah. So
Guys,
that's
Amy?
happened. I wanna do that. That's next. We'll learn it. तू ठंडी लग रही है. Just standing near the light, that's why it's looking bright. But I got tan like crazy. Like, look at this. Please wear sunscreen, guys. I forgot my body sunscreen. I was wearing my face sunscreen. It was a great experience so far. Now I'll just go fix my hair and everything and be back.
जिंदगी मुबारक जिंदगी मुबारक जिंदगी मुबारक हो हम सबको.
Super crowded. Don't expect to click pictures here.
The next day.
What's up, you guys? So it's early in the morning. We are going to bungee jump. I am half asleep, but once we reach there, I think we'll be all awake. And yeah, it's way too cold. So hopefully, I'll be able to do it. Let's see. Super nervous. How nervous are you? I'm not nervous. I'm excited. Hey, poop. There's cow poop everywhere. Okay. See you guys when I reach there.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on.
So once you reach there, you will be divided in like 3 different categories according to your weight. I was in number 1 since I was light. My friend was in number 2, and then they'll just talk with you, motivate you, harness you, and just kind of make you feel better and not afraid. And then you will be only given 2 chances to jump. They'll count down 1, 2, 3, jump. On jump, you have to jump. If you don't, then they'll make you sit down again and then talk with you, motivate you, and give you the second chance to jump. And then again, if you can't jump on the second turn, you have to go. They won't even return your money. And since I paid 3,500 for this, I had to jump in the first go. I knew that. Also, cameras are not allowed inside. That's why I didn't take any of my camera, not even my GoPro. You have to take this footage from them. They'll take 900 for this, and the quality isn't that great, but this is all I could get. So, yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go. I was so afraid, but I did it. You'll watch it now.
All you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
You guys, we did it! Oh my god. I am like out of breath because the bungee jumping wasn't hard at all. Okay, like it was something that I believe anyone can do because there's so much safety things, measures, and everything involved. So anyone and everyone can do this. Just make sure you're under the weight limit. It's something from 40 to 120, I believe. So basically, they'll first make you watch the video of how to do it and all that, and then they'll take you to the place. So you have to go walking. It's from here only. It's 400 meters away. Then from there, you have to sit till your time comes. So after that, they'll tie you and everything, harness and all that. So there's like a 15-meter walk, but it's on a slope and you have to do it in the sun. That is more tiring than the bungee jumping itself. And we actually took a break after every minute of the slopes. This is so worth it, dude. It's expensive. I found it expensive. Did you find it expensive? Yeah, for the price it was for 3,550 rupees plus 400 for the bus. We are now waiting for the bus. The bus timings are particular, so 12 and then 2. So 12 wala we missed. It's 12:30 right now, so now we'll have to wait for 1.5 hours, they say. So that's why we are just sitting on the road and waiting for a regular car, local car to come, maybe a rickshaw or something and we can take that maybe. But this was so worth it, guys. That was an amazing experience. After bungee jumping, we went for lunch again to the Little Buddha Cafe. The food there is amazing. Go there once if you are in Rishikesh. And also after that, we went to Triveni Ghat again. I did the aarti myself and I paid like 500. And the pandit there, you saw in the video where families do it together, but it was just me and my friend. We did it together, like separately but together. And that was such a fun experience as well. बहुत मजा आया. सबको करना चाहिए, सबको जाना चाहिए ऋषिकेश. It was also cheap. You can travel by train and live in hostels and all. So max, I think for us, the entire trip costed from Dehradun to Rishikesh, Mussoorie, and everything costed around 30,000 per person. Because we stayed at also a 5-star place for one night in Mussoorie, it added up and all. So yeah, I think that's not bad, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you guys would like to see me travel a lot, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know where should I go next. I really want to travel more this year, so let's hope for the best. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Back to regular vlogging, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.